You know how when you watch the internets, everything always comes out perfect every time? In real life, it doesn't. This is the angel food cake that we made, still hanging upside down. Now, I made it in a pan that I really love. I love this pan. So it didn't rise. And then I left it in the pan because I was so mortified that now it's incredibly challenging to get out of the pan. So this has been a disaster on many levels. But it still looks like cake in there. So I was thinking, what if I took this disaster and I made something with it, like a trifle? This is a great thing to do with cakes that don't work. So let's see if we can get it to get out of the pan, first of all. I want to cut it into chunks and make like a trifle with a flavored berry cream. So I'm gonna just try to muscle this out of the pan. Okay, oh, I think I can. I just need to give it a little more elbow grease. And it has like the smell and the feel of angel food cake. It just didn't rise. Yes, that's where it was stuck. Okay, so you can see the texture of the cake itself is actually right. And it has a great flavor. So, I'm having a dinner party. This was my dessert. I need to make the best of it, right? So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to make a trifle. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna use a serrated knife. I'm gonna spray it with cooking spray. And I'm gonna get this into chunks. Boom. I'm gonna put it in a little parfait glass. I'm gonna mix in some fresh berries. And then we're gonna top it with the raspberry whipped cream. We're just gonna make a couple here to show you that even if you have a fail, you can learn from it, you can make something good out of it. Okay, got a couple of fresh berries here. I'm gonna mix that in. It's gonna look really delicious, really fresh. Our cake disaster is going to turn into something that could be equally delicious, even though it started as a disaster. All right, so let's make a little bit of our flavored whipped cream and top that off, and we'll see how this ends up looking. Got our whipped cream here. I think I'm gonna put it in this one. And we've got our powdered sugar. We've got a little bit of vanilla and our raspberry powder that we blended up. We're only gonna make a couple here, so let's see how that goes. Just blending it up. Ah! I'm gonna have a heart attack. Okay, well, we're still blending. It like just went from one completely horrible disaster to the next, but I'm not giving up, friends, because I finally have a little whipped cream in here. So, I am just going to finish this dessert. I'm not gonna swear because then we can't post the video because it's too good to waste. Just whipping, whipping. Honest to goodness. Come on. I don't know if I can get enough air in it with a fork. Oh, let's just go. Come on, bring it on. Oh yeah, oh, just bring it on. Just gonna keep going. Gonna make a little trifle. It's going to be delicious. I know you want this recipe. I'm gonna, in the meantime, go take a Xanax get someone to clean my kitchen because, I mean, really, if you could see it, it's brutal. And there is the raspberry angel food cake.